Markets are melting. 2 brutal days just erased billions in value. Stocks are reeling from a 1-2 punch, tariffs and recession fears. The Dow plunged over 1,200 points. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq fell hard, over 7% gone in 48 hours. Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, slammed. Banks and energy stocks? Crushed. This isn't just turbulence. It's the kind of storm that derails retirements. And it could just be the beginning. Trade wars are escalating fast. Major U.S. trading partners are retaliating. Global recession odds? Now at 60%, according to J.P. Morgan. Safe to say, uncertainty is the new normal. So where are investors going? To safety. To gold. Even during the sell-off, gold held strong, still near all-time highs. Over the past year, it's up more than 40%. That's not hype, that's history repeating itself. Remember 2008? While stocks plunged, gold surged. During the 2020 pandemic crash, same story. When paper assets fall, gold shines. And unlike stocks, gold isn't affected by tariffs. Physical gold and silver are tariff exempt. That's a huge deal for protecting your wealth. Retirees are turning to gold IRAs, self-directed accounts backed by real metal. No wild swings. No corporate bankruptcies. Just stability. A portion of your savings in gold could be the difference between panic and peace of mind. It's not about betting against the market, it's about building a buffer. Gold has outperformed stocks during the worst crises of our lifetime. It's not a trend. It's a track record. And in times like these, that matters. If your 401k or IRA is exposed to this storm, now is the time to diversify. Because when the next shock hits, it'll be too late to prepare. But not too late to regret. Gold and silver have never gone to zero. They've saved portfolios when everything else failed. This might be your moment to act, before the next headline rocks the markets again.
Here is GiveMeTheGold.com's recommendations of the best gold IRA companies to do business with. These companies have been vetted on their reputation and reliability.
Hi, I'm Amelia from GiveMeTheGold.com. Picking the right precious metals company is important, so today we will go over 3 highly recommended companies from GiveMeTheGold.com. Our panel of experts have picked these companies based on reliability, customer service, and other factors. You can also see our complete list of companies and more information by going to our website at GiveMeTheGold.com. Our first recommendation is Augusta Precious Metals. They have been a trusted name in the precious metals industry since 2012. They are the top recommendation for accounts with $50,000 or more to invest. They combine their top education and white glove services to make it an all-around excellent experience for their investors. To get more information, visit easygoldinvestments.com or call them at 1-855-470-4636. Our next recommended company is Golden Crest Metals. They are a standout choice for investors seeking to start the gold IRA journey with a minimum initial investment of only $10,000. Golden Crest Metals has a customer's first approach and great guidance by their professionals to help you get started. Visit their website at goldencrest.info. Our last recommended company for today is Colonial Metals Group. Colonial Metals Group stands out for its competitive promotional offers designed to give investors added value when starting a gold IRA. They provide access to exclusive deals on precious metals and other perks for first-time clients, including a free safe. To get more information, visit freegoldkitnow.com. You can see all these links for your convenience underneath the video in the description. To see the extended list of all the company, visit the website at GiveMeTheGold.com. I'm Amelia from GiveMeTheGold.com. Wishing you the best in your financial endeavors, and thanks so much for watching.